Hey, good morning. It's day 2. How's it going? You ready for day 2? We're doing t-shirts and pajamas today. And there's a little trick how to fold these to go into your drawer again so you can see everything and make more space. It's very space saving involved here. So we're going to start with short sleeve t-shirts. So I've got a shirt right here. And basically we're trying to fold it and make it neat. So I'm going to fold this up against my chest here. One side over, the other side over. Now this is a jersey knit, so it doesn't wrinkle very much, but just shake it out a little bit so it folds nice. Like you can do this right out of the dryer. Okay, chin down, 1/3 up, 1/3 over, and you've got yourself a nice little neat package here. So going into long sleeve shirts, same thing. Again, I'm picking jersey knit here. If you're looking for crisp cotton or rayons, they might be easier to fold onto the bed or even hang them up here. But this is what we're doing with our drawers. Shake out the arm. Here we go. And here we go again. Now I have a separate drawer for my short sleeved shirts than my long sleeve shirts. But I want to show you again how these things move neatly into a little pile. Now it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect at all, but they all stack up nice. I'm going to show you this. So they're all going to be a neat little sandwich wedge, but if in your drawers you can't really see them, you only see the top one, and that's when they get all rumpled and messed up. So here's the trick. If you just move these back about an inch or two, there you go, before you put them into the drawer, you see, now you can see everything, whether you want to color coordinate them, whether you want to do short sleeves and long sleeves, whether you want to do lightweight ones to, several different layers. You can get at least 3 sections in a drawer with this method, and you can pick out exactly what you need. I'll post a picture a little farther down in the day 2 post here, okay? So let's go into pajamas. Pajamas have a unique intention here to sleep in, and I believe pajamas, or could be t-shirts, anything, sleepwear belongs in a separate drawer. You know why? Because you don't want to sleep with pollens or molds or whatever. You should change your clothes. I talk about this all the time. Change your clothes before you sleep. Even if you're on a camping trip, even if we're out on the boat, we change our clothes all the time to keep them fresh, and we make sure that the sleeping clothes are not contaminated by any cooking smells or any of this stuff. So have a separate area for your sleepwear, whether it be in a separate drawer or even a little divider here. Put in a piece of cardboard, something, and keep the underwear, keep the sleepwear separate from your outdoor wear is very, very important. So you can just slide a little piece of cardboard in there if you want, but be aware of these types of things. People laugh at me. You could just for buying pajamas, but you know what? They're not just pajamas. They're sleeping clothes. So unless you want to designate some of these clothes, your regular t-shirts, you can certainly sleep in them, no problem. Just designate them for sleepwear and keep them in a separate spot. So don't forget to check off your list. When you're done, I want to see these at the end of the 27 days. So keep track of things, even make some notes on the back like I have of what you're actually doing, and you can see your progress right away. I'm so excited to do this challenge with you. Love to hear the comments, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.